Welcome for your interest in expandable style food delivery bag. Flexible conversion between 42 or 70 liters capacity by zipper closure, top and front closure of backpack, and hand carrier mode. Damping shoulder straps and rear panel, lets the delivery specialist more comfortable. Eye-catching design add on your logo let drive your brand to increase visibility. The bag use strong and durable material with waterproof function. Load weight can reach 20 kilograms. Inner design of aluminum foils lining and high-density insulation foam allows it to keep the temperature for up to 4 hours. Accept this style. We are welcome for tailor-made design order from customer. If you have interest or looking for a great supplier to help you produce your ideal food delivery bag, Sheng Bags and Design Limited is your great partner. Welcome to send us your requirement. Our email is sales@hongsheng.com.hk, or if you want to know more about us, please visit our website www.hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you.